and today I'm going to show you how to draw a goldfish. You're going to need two colors. This is a yellow orange and then just a regular orange crayon. You can use a pencil or you can use a black Sharpie like me. All right, let's get started. Let's draw our goldfish. So you're going to start out by drawing kind of like a football shape. I am going to draw a curved line up like that. And I'm going to leave a space here and a space here. And I'm going to draw another curved line. Like that. Then I'm going to draw fin on top. Start about right here. I'm going to curve up. I'm going to curve down like that and then do a wavy line. Curve up, curved line down. This is the back fin. I'm going to go in, curve in, and then I just do a wavy line and then connect to the other side like that. And if you need to stop, if you need to pause the video anytime, please do that. And then I'm going to draw the lips. I'm going out and around. A little bump here for the bottom lip. I'm going to draw a curved line starting about right here. Curve all the way down to the other side. That's going to separate the face from the rest of the body. And I'm going to draw a curved line for the eye. And I just do a little line like that. Then I'm going to draw the fin right here. And that is just a curved line that goes around back to the other side, but I'm not going to connect it all the way. Now I'm going to draw the scales, and how I do that is I just go 1, 2, 3. 3 bumps like that. 1, 2, 3 bumps just like that. And I do that just a couple times. This one I'm just going to have 2. This one I'm just going to have 2 as well. I'm going to add some little details. So I'm going to draw 1, 2, 3 lines up there. And then 3 lines up here too. 1, 2, 3 on the fin. And then not the other fin here. 1, 2, 3 lines right there. Okay. So now I have my goldfish drawn. I'm going to add some color. This is my favorite part. I'm going to start with my yellow orange. Okay, let's color. so much for drawing with me today. And if you'd like to see some more drawing videos, please subscribe to my channel. And thanks so much for watching. Bye!